Welcome to Between the Covers. This is I Love You 100 by Danica McKellar. Danica is a New York Times bestselling author and a mathematician, and is perhaps best known as an actress appearing in Wonder Years and The West Wing. In this adorable, heartwarming hardcover for young readers 4 years and up, Danica teaches kids to count to 100 by tens, while providing parents an opportunity to reassure their children of their unconditional love. I love you. I love you too. Two? Two, like also. Well, I love you 3. I love you 4. I love you more. I love you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I love you when we sail our ships and mud gets on your fingertips. Try counting all 10 fingers. Now you see the text up top continues the numbers in tens, and little ones are prompted to count objects on the spread, such as the 10 fingers. And the corresponding number of hearts on the spread are filled in by row. Now the multiple audio and visual cues, the numbers, the counting, and the quantity of hearts all work together to reinforce the learning. I love you 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I love you high and underneath. I love you when you're brushing teeth. Try counting all 20 teeth. And again, the corresponding quantity of hearts is filled in. Again, you have the numbers, the counting, and the quantity of hearts all working together. I love you up to 30. Now you're trying to count all 30 footprints. And again, now we have 3 rows of 10 hearts each. I love you up to 40. Counting 40 sheep. The hearts again. I love you up to 50. Now you're counting all 50 of the United States. 5 rows of hearts, of course. I love you up to 60. Try counting the 10-minute marks on the clock. How clever. And 6 rows of hearts. I love you up to 70. Counting 70 raindrops. I love you up to 80. What do you think we're counting here? Oh, we're counting 80 beads on the floor. And the 8 rows of hearts. Oops, I skipped one here. We have to count up to 90, of course. And here we're counting 90 stars. And our filled in hearts. Now as we wind down here, I love you 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100! Time for celebration with 100 hearts. Really, Mommy? You love me 100? There's no number that can measure all the love I have for you. Count on this with certainty. I love you to infinity. All 100 hearts. Now to maximize the learning, the author includes a hundreds chart in the back, plus tips on getting the most out of the book, and additional tips on showing your child how math relates to everyday life. Wonderful, wonderful book. Tons of learning, tons of fun, and of course, great bonding with mom or dad. I love you 100.